In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out from your Reddit app. You probably are looking for the best way to sign out from your Reddit app on your mobile device and you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to log out from your Reddit app. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Reddit homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on this arrow beside your profile username. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of accounts associated with your Reddit. In this case, if you want to sign out in any, just tap on the arrow pointing to your right, and that's it. You have the option to log out, and once you tap on log out, you have successfully signed out from your Reddit app. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.